Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the goal, listening, vocab, or grammar. Once done, subscribe to 3 channels that match those levels. Make sure to set playback speed between 0, 75 and 1, 25 and enable subtitles selectively. This gives you comprehensible input. You should save 20-30 minutes daily for active watching. Also create a simple playlist titled by skill so you always start the right session. You now switch from passive to active watching. Once done with a first gist pass, replay and pause every 30-60 seconds to jot 5 useful phrases or words. Make sure to mark timestamps and the sentence context. That helps you reproduce pronunciation and form. After collecting examples, convert them into spaced review cards with intervals of 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. You should also mimic sentences allowed to force production and consolidation. You finish by producing. Record yourself repeating 3 short clips and compare each week. Once done, add 5 to 10 minutes of shadowing. Speak along with the speaker to train rhythm and intonation. Make sure to upload or store recordings so you can track progress and stay accountable. If you hit a plateau, slow playback, choose simpler videos, or use transcripts to fill gaps. That single troubleshooting tip will restart progress fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.